Hi, Steph again, back with the bottom of EX205. We're going to reposition the pie chart legend. Let's click the let's click the legend, select the legend there, and on the legend we want to click the chart elements button, the plus sign here, and notice the legend. Let's point to the legend here. Notice the arrow. Click on that. And the right arrow icon, a submenu opens with formatting options available for a selected chart element. For a chart legend, the submenu offers placement options. Let's point to the left to see a live preview. There it is. I'm just pointing at it. I haven't actually selected it. Legends aligned along the left side of the chart area. The pie moves to the right to occupy the remaining space. Let's click right to place the legend along the right side of the chart area. Pie shifts to the left to make room for the legend. Chart Elements button also provides access to the format pane, which has more design options. Carol wants you to add a drop shadow to the legend similar to the pie chart's drop shadow. Change the fill color to a light gold and add a light gray border. You use the format pane to make these changes. So in the Chart Elements menu, we're going to click the right arrow. Okay, so legend and the right arrow there. Let's click that. And we're going to look at more options. Okay, the format legend should be open over here. Okay, see that? Format pane opens on the right side of the workbook window. The pane's title, Format Legend, indicates the options related to formatting the chart legend. So let's click the Fill and Line button. Remember, Fill and Line button up here. Check that. It's near the top of the format pane to display options for setting the fill color and border style of the legend. And let's click the fill down here for display fill options. Select Fill Solid fill. Take a look at the screen capture there, figure 413 at the bottom too. Just kind of see that's the color, all right. Looks good. And then let's click Fill Color there button and click the gold accent 4. So make sure you get gold accent 4. Mine was selected, but make sure if yours isn't that you go down and modify that and make it happen. So again, that's fill color there is gold accent 4, lighter 60%. You can see my pop-up help. It's giving us the indication and the thumbs up that, yep, got it right, Steph. So I'm kind of patting myself on the back while you do the same there. I'm on step 5, and it says click border. Let's click border here. And if you click it like that, you'll have options that come down there. And the border options, then click the solid line option button. Put an option there. Of course, it gets rid of the other option, but this is the one we desired. So click on that. Click border, display the border options, then click on solid line. And I've done it. Additional border options appear below the border options. Let's click the outline color button. The outline color would be down here, right? If I point to it, it says outline color. And we're looking for the gray 50%, access 3, lighter 80%. Okay, so look around there. Click the outline button and click gray 50%, accent 3, lighter colors. Look at the second row, 7th column. So go to the second row, 7th column. We're all looking for it there. And so we're looking for gray accent 3, 7th row. So count them over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the 4th column. So 50%, access 3, lighter 80%, is that what they want? Yeah, keep going until we get her there. Okay, 50%, accent 3, lighter 80%. There it is, right there. Click on that. Okay. The top of the Format Legend pane, click the Effects button. Okay. So let's click the Effects button there. So kind of point up there. The effects button is this one right here. And as you can see, we have lots of options. And click the shadow to display the shadow options. So there's the shadow. We got shadow options, as you can see. We'll click the offset diagonal button on the right. Okay. So offset diagonal button there on the right. And the first row and the first column. Okay, so offset. Okay, what we want to do is apply kind of a drop shadow here. So I'm going to choose the style here. Let's see. It looks like we want to choose, again, the offset diagonal button. The first row, first column. Okay, and that's the one right there. Right. Click on that. Now, it's got a little bit of a nice look to it. You can see, look at that border, that edge. That's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and save this right now. File save right there. And I think that this is a good spot to stop on this one.